Array Studio provides a number of modules for pattern detection in your datasets. For example, Find Neighbors will find variables or observations similar to the specified item. Let's look for 1371785AT, the probe set that is highly upregulated in treatment versus control at 3 and 6 hours. You will find the module in Microarray, Pattern, Find Neighbors. Choose your source data, the variables you want to include, and the observations. Name your output data. Specify the ID to search for. Choose whether to search variables or observations, correlation method, and direction. You can choose to find a fixed number of neighbors. We will look for 20. But you could also find neighbors by p-value. Finally, you can choose to output a heat map or profile. Here are the probe sets that are most similar to our source probe set. We can sort the x-axis we can see the similarities in upregulation at 3 and 6 hours in treatment versus control. We could also make a pairwise scatter plot. Select some of the probe sets, create a list from selected rows, then add a view, pairwise variable scatter. Under variable, filter probe set by list filter, and specify the columns. For each pairwise comparison between selected probe sets, a pairwise scatter plot and MA plot is displayed. You can add a regression line and hide one of the plots. You can also directly compare these variables at once with a 3D variable view. Change the symbol properties to categorical by group. You can see the similarities in expression between these three probe sets.